how to remove a coupling drive in a Westinghouse Blender. Stick around, watch this video and I'll show you how to remove it. Alright, so you have this Westinghouse Blender and your coupling drive. It needs to change and you want to take it out, right? So this is the coupling drive here. And sometimes it is way wrong, sometimes mash up, so you want to change it, right? So here what you do. Now you gotta go behind it, the back cover, the 3 screws you remove. 1, 2, on one side, 3 screws, right? So you take out the 3 screws, you raise the cover up. Alright. Now you gotta get a flat head screwdriver and you push it right inside here. And then you're tightening. Right, so you're tightening to slacken it. Like this. And you keep on turning until it comes off. Right, so this is the coupling. And to put it back on, you turn it anti-clockwise to tighten. Right, so you just press it back inside. And then it tightens. Right, so you tighten by anti-clockwise, right? So anti-clockwise is tightening, right? Right, so you tighten it enough, and that's about it. Alright, so there you have it. Now you know how to remove a coupling drive on a Westinghouse Blender.